Hello everybody, my name is Vicente Seja, and the extinct species I will be talking about is the Tasmanian wolf. Before I start, some quick general background information about the Tasmanian wolf is that it is also referred to as the thylacine and the Tasmanian tiger. It was once native to Australia, Tasmania, and New Guinea, and fun fact, it was actually used in the Tasmanian coat of arms. A little bit about the physical description. What made this species unique was that the Tasmanian wolf had yellowish brown fur accompanied by 13 to 19 dark stripes, such as a tiger, that ran down their back and rump. Their hind legs were longer than their forelegs. They had powerful jaws with enormous, almost 90-degree gape, accompanied by 46 teeth that allowed them to tear through meat. They had narrow snouts similar to that of their closest relative, the Tasmanian devil. A Tasmanian wolf's body length can average somewhere between 39 to 51 inches long. That being said, its thick tail alone was 20 to 26 inches long. In terms of their weight, the Tasmanian wolf ranged somewhere between 33 and 66 pounds. The animal was actually considered nocturnal, meaning that it would rest during the day in forests and scrubs and hunt during the afternoon and evening. They were selective eaters, meaning that they would only consume an animal that they have actually killed, and even so, they were selective in the body part that they would want to eat. Additionally, the Tasmanian wolves would track their prey considerable distances until their prey was fatigued and then capture it in a sudden rush. In terms of the role that the Tasmanian wolf played in certain environments, the wolf was actually considered to be on top of the food chain and was the largest marsupial carnivore at the time. So why did the species go extinct? To put in a few words, the Tasmanian wolf was basically overhunted. Between the years of 1888 and 1909, the Australian government paid over 2,000 bounties to encourage the eradication of the species. This was because the Tasmanian wolf was seen as a pest and as a dangerous threat to various livestock. As a result, the extinction process took over a couple decades, and in 1936, the species was officially declared extinct. Additionally, other theories also suggest that habitat loss, competition with modern dogs, and the spread of diseases during the 1920s also contributed to their extinction. So this leads into the question as to, does the loss of the Tasmanian wolf impact the economic importance for human populations? Yes, economic importance for human populations were positive in the sense that Tasmanian wolves were a primary source of income for many trappers during these years of the prosecution. There are multiple documented cases of payouts of those able to capture and or kill these creatures. Captured Tasmanian wolves were transported to zoos as far as New York City. And no, economic importance for human populations were negative in the sense that Tasmanian wolves were thought to be the source of many agricultural problems for Australian settlers. Sheep herds were thought to be mutilated by Tasmanian wolves. Humans, however, have attained minimal personal injury from their encounters with these creatures. Of the injuries on record, they were only considered to be bites as a result of self-defense. On one last note, this really allows us to ask ourselves how we could prevent the future extinction of various animal and plant species and even ourselves. This has been a quick presentation on the extinction of the Tasmanian wolf. Thank you so much.